So, so I just read about this new update in Oxlint that's introducing type-aware linting. It's seriously a game changer.
Wait, type-aware linting? That sounds pretty advanced. How does that even work?
Right? So it's all about making sure your TypeScript promises are properly awaited, which means no more unhandled rejections.
No way. That's huge because unhandled promise rejections can lead to some major headaches.
Exactly. And what's wild is that they're using a backend called TS-GoLint, which is actually written in Go.
Oh, interesting choice. Go is known for being super fast. Is that why they opted for it?
Absolutely. They reported a massive performance boost, reducing linting time from a minute to less than 10 seconds. Can you believe that?
That gives me chills. From a minute to 10 seconds? That's a significant leap forward.
It really is. I mean, developers can actually focus on coding rather than waiting for checks to finish.
And let's talk about usability. Configuring type-aware rules seems like a straightforward process, right?
Totally. They've made it so developers can easily set it up just by using a simple command. That's user-friendly.
I love how accessibility is a priority here. What's even cooler is the way they're addressing monorepo performance issues, too.
Yes, they're not just boosting speed. They're also actively investigating and fixing any deadlock or memory issues.
Wait, so they have a dedicated team working on these performance issues? That's impressive.
Exactly. They've got community support, too, working on various improvements, which makes it feel collaborative.
Community-driven projects usually lead to better outcomes, since there's more feedback and perspectives.
Right? And speaking of feedback, they encourage developers to share their thoughts on GitHub discussions.
I can see that being a great way to engage with the community. Continuous improvement is key.
For sure. And speaking of improvements, they've narrowed down their focus on stabilizing multiple versions of TypeScript.
So, they have to align with TypeScript updates constantly. That sounds like a lot of juggling.
It is, but they're managing risks by keeping APIs stable. It's a smart move to maintain consistency.
Now that's a balancing act if I've ever seen one. But what about the technical aspect?
Well, Oxlint and TS-GoLint communicate directly through some internal APIs, which has its own challenges.
Ah, so it's not just a straightforward integration. They have to navigate some complexities.
Exactly. But their strategy seems to be yielding results. They've already improved response times significantly.
I can only imagine the level of discussion in their community about these changes. It's evolving fast.
Oh, totally. And the fact that they're encouraging real-time discussions on Discord makes it even more engaging.
That's such a good approach to keep everyone in the loop. Collaboration always produces great innovations.
Plus, their initial beta looks promising. Early adopters will definitely get to shape its features.
Exactly. And let's not forget about the crazy range of rules they're introducing, like preventing unawaited promises.
Yes, that one alone can save so many debugging headaches. It's like having a safety net.
It's so true. And the fact that they cover things like unnecessary Boolean evaluations, genius.
Seriously, it's like they're not just focusing on speed, but also on overall code quality.
I'm definitely thinking about how much easier this will make the developer experience overall.
Right? So if we tie all of this together, it's not just about faster linting anymore.
Exactly. It's about creating a more efficient, reliable, and enjoyable coding environment for everyone.
And I can't help but wonder, what other innovations are on the horizon for tools like this?
That question is just mind-blowing. It shows we still have so much more to uncover in coding tools.
This is such an exciting time for developers. I can't wait to see how this evolves.
Same here. Let's keep an eye on it. There's definitely a lot more we can explore together.